and welcome to today's Bee tutorial. Today we're going to walk through winter email design using this awesome example from Blue Apron. We really like the bold blue HTML color background here, the use of live text, bulletproof buttons. This really is optimized for mobile screens. It looks great, it's simple to build, and we're going to show you how in Bee. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Bee Pro and start with a blank template. This email is really straightforward. It has a single column modular design, so starting with a blank template is oftentimes the best way to go. So right away, before I start building, I'm going to go to settings and just set some defaults for myself to make designing a little bit easier. So I'm going to choose like a bright blue color for my content area background. I'm going to leave the background color white. That'll give me like a fixed width or boxed effect on the email. And I'm going to leave my default font to Arial. Blue Apron's email uses Arial as well as Georgia. This is actually an image, but I'm going to go ahead and use a live text formatting in Bee because it doesn't really need to be an image and it'll look great formatted. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to pull in two rows to start. In the first row, I'm going to build like this header content, and then the second one, I'm going to build the content of the first module. So to get started, we'll need an image for the logo, followed by some text. And this one also has an image, followed by text, button. So I'm going to, I already uploaded the two images that I need to start. You can do that just by drag and dropping. Pull these in. And now they're bigger than I want them to be. This logo is actually pretty small, and the first image you can see has a border on either side. So it's really easy to adjust in Bee. I'm going to go ahead and turn off auto width. Drag it down to make it small. And I'm going to do the same thing. Border. I'm actually noticing the blue background should be a little brighter, so great, so this is coming along really nicely. I'm going to start updating the text now. Easy to make adjustments here. Make it bold to look a little more close to Blue Apron's. It's pretty similar. I'm also noticing there's a little more space between the logo and the text, so I'm just going to add some padding here. It's really easy to do. Plug it in. Start making the same kinds of adjustments. Pretty good. And we also adjust the padding here on either side. And if at any point I want to see how this is looking on mobile, I can just preview. Desktop or mobile. So this is looking really nice. I can actually copy this, drag it down so that we have pre-formatted text. And you get the idea. You can go ahead and continue adjusting padding, the color, all the text, so it's just how you like. The button is the same, we can type right into it. So let's see, get $60 off. And then make adjustments over here. Change the border radius because it's actually quite rounded. And then I'm going to add a little padding on either side to make the button a little longer, really tappable. And of course I'll make sure to link that. So you're going to want to make sure that you obviously link your buttons and all your images so that you're going back to your site. But that's how easy. You can already see that this email is shaping up really quickly and really easily. Once I finish making tweaks to this module, what I'm going to do is actually select the whole row and then copy it, so that in my next row I have all my pre-formatting ready to go. I'm just going to replace the image and update the text, and I can keep going like that all the way down for really quick formatting, really quick designing. And don't forget, if you make any mistakes, you can use this undo button right here and we will go back for you. So that's it. Good luck creating a beautiful winter email.